I've just had a meeting with Turkey's defense minister, and we will be trying. The best thing is for Turkey and the Taliban to have a face-to-face dialogue, so both can talk about the reason why that Kabul airport has to be secured. And so we will be talking to the Taliban to use our influence for them to have a face-to-face talk with Turkey. They are now trying everything to somehow get the Americans back into Afghanistan. You know, the whole posturing right now is that they're blaming the Americans for this debacle, Pakistan and the Americans. And they're trying to somehow persuade the Americans to actually intervene. The political settlement is looking difficult right now. And it's looking difficult right now because the Taliban are refusing, and we tried. I tried to persuade the Taliban. This is months back, 3 or 4 months back. The Taliban senior leadership came here, and we tried to persuade them to come to some sort of a political settlement. But unfortunately, the Taliban, when they were here, they felt that they refused to talk to Ashraf Ghani. Their condition is that as long as Ashraf Ghani is there, we are not going to talk to the Afghan government.